Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by opening settings and navigating straight to display. This is where font controls live. Once in display, tap font size or text size to reveal the slider and sample text. Make sure to read the sample line. This shows how system apps and notifications will change. If you have accessibility listed, note that it can override fonts. For now, use the main display control. This first step gets you immediate control over the visual scale across the UI. Drag the slider slowly while watching the preview. Small moves can change readability a lot. Once done, toggle between preview examples to check messaging, settings, and app text. If text appears larger but UI elements overlap, adjust display size next. This scales icons and layouts separately. Make sure to test in an app you use often, like Messages, because fonts may render differently in third-party apps. These middle steps balance readability with usable layouts. After selecting the size you like, tap back or home to apply system-wide. Some apps update instantly while others need a restart to align correctly. If text clips or buttons overlap, restart the phone to force a full redraw. If fonts remain too small, visit Accessibility Font Size or Display Size for stronger scaling options. And if an app ignores system fonts, update or reinstall it. That resolves most stubborn rendering issues.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.